Hey guys, this is Tasnim. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a 3 product makeup challenge. I also did a 5 product one about a year back. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below or in the I button up there. You can check it out after watching this video. And now let's get started. So for my first product, I'm going to be using the Loreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade 108. I'm at first going to dot it in and then blend it out using a buffing brush by Real Technique. I'm at first buffing the foundation and then sweeping it across my face to avoid any kind of brush strokes. Go above your eyes with the foundation. This way your eye base will also be there. For my second product, I'm going to be using a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Androgeny. It's a very pretty mauve toned lipstick. I'm going to first apply it to my lips and then use the same lipstick as a blush. So I'm going to just dot it in at first and then blend it in using the same foundation brush. We are trying to use as less products as possible. Now I wasn't really happy with the pigmentation, so I went ahead with the lipstick again pretty heavily, and then I was happy with the pigmentation. For the last and final product, yes, you guessed it right, it's the Morphe X James Charles eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna be taking that brown shade, the neutral brown shade, and apply it to my crease as a transition shade using a big blending brush. For my second shade, I'm going to take that hot pink shade in a tapered blending brush and then blend it in the outer corners, but I wasn't really happy with how it was looking, so what I started doing is I patted the color first and then I blended it using a blending brush. This way what you will see that you'll get more of a pigmentation. The color will just look more rich, and then just go in, do that again until you're happy with the pigmentation. Like, tap the color and then blend it in. Using the same brush, I took that dark purple color and applied it to my lash line, but I applied too much. The brush was not correct, so I took a smaller smudging brush and then I applied the dark purple color to my outer corners and also to my lash line. This way the color was more precise, it gave more depth to my eye look. So yeah, now taking a big blending brush, I'm gonna blend it all in. Now I forgot to mention that do not bring the pink and purple color to the inner part of your eye, because that's how we make the look very smoky. Now what I did is I took a angle brush to do a half cut crease. As you guys can see, I brought the concealer slightly upwards than my natural eyelid area, because this is how you make your eyes look big. A slight cheat. Now taking a shimmery purple color, this is a duochrome shadow. It's super pretty with blue reflexes, so I'm gonna just use my fingers to apply it, and then to get precise I will use a flat brush. Initially the brush didn't give me the maximum pigmentation, which is why I used my fingers. Now I'm going to take that dark purple shade again and apply it using the smudging brush in my upper lash line and blend it all in using a big flat blending brush. Taking the light purple shade using the tapered blending brush we used for the hot pink shade, I'm going to apply it to my lower lash line, but I'm gonna bring it only halfway through because my eyes don't look pretty when I bring the color towards my inner corners. And now taking that shimmery shade, I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. This is the Real Technique detailer brush. Then I'm gonna be mixing those 2 brown shades to fill in my brows. I did a mistake of not doing my brows first, and yeah, whatever, it's okay. I'm just gonna go in with it, do a little curve shape, and then give more shape to my brows using some foundation that we used initially for our base. Now I'm just gonna blend out that foundation using a brush. See why I said that I should have done my brows first? It gave me a harsh line, but that's okay. I just went with a blending brush and blended off the harsh lines. I also cleaned off the edges using the same foundation. And yeah, that's about it for the eye makeup. I just applied some falsies off camera because we really had to tie up the look. And I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you enjoyed the look. And I'll see you all next time. Love you all so much. Bye.